Our next array instance is the filter method. Now this filter method is quite popular and most people might know what it is. But for those that don't know, I'm going to be explaining it explicitly in this video. Let's get started. Now, how does the filter method works? As the name implies, it makes a shallow copy of a portion of an array, especially when it passed a test of a function. Now, if you were to create a function that has a particular test, now all the arrays need to pass through that test, and once it passes through the test, it's being filtered out as the main result. Now, let's see how it is in code. And we have an array called words, and that array has over 5 items that are normal English words, and the first one being spray, elite, exuberant, destruction, and present. Now we are going to create a function that filters out these words, and that filters out words that has more than 4 letters. Now, how do we do that? We first off create a function, let's say result, then words dot filter, then of course we pass in the parameter, and then anonymous function with the word dot length, that is going to, we're going to still get to the length. If you don't know what length is, that is, we want to know the number of items that the words array have, and the number of words we have is 5. So if the number of words that are in this array is greater than 6, then it should log out the result. It should log out the result. So let me try to explain that. We have an array of words that has that is 5 in number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then now in our function test, we are saying that if the words that are in this array, if the letters that are in these words is greater than 6, then it should log it out to the console. For example, spray over here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is it greater than 6? No, 5 is not greater than 6. So it's not going to log out to the console. Then if we come to elite, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it still has 5. Is it greater than 6? No, it's not greater than 6. Then if we come to exuberant, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is greater than 6. So exuberant is going to be logged out to the console. Out of destruction has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is greater than 6, so it's going to be logged out to the console. Now out of present we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is greater than 6. So of course it's going to be logged out to the console. Now if we check our terminal, let's clear my terminal, and if I run node app.js, here comes our result. Our result is as we said earlier. So the first on the array item is exuberant, then followed by destruction, and last but not the least, present. So that is a little tip of what the filter method is all about. I hope you understand, and see you in my next episode. Ciao.